Okay. So have you ever thought about like ditching the whole 9 to 5 thing
Oh, yeah,
and like building a business you could run from your laptop,
absolutely.
make money from day one kind of deal?
That's the dream, right?
It is. And we found this roadmap.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And someone's laying out all their secrets to making that happen
Interesting.
in 2025 even.
Okay.
So we're going to break it all down. And
Yeah,
you know what? We're going to figure out what's hype and what's actually useful.
yeah, separate the wheat from the chaff.
Exactly.
Love it.
So,
This is cool because it's not like just chasing the latest trends.
right.
This guide's all about finding a business model that really fits you.
Oh, like a perfect pair of shoes.
Yeah, exactly. Like it has to fit just right.
It has to be the right one.
Yeah.
Okay. So first things first,
All right.
choosing the right ET business model.
Huge.
So this guy dives into a bunch of options:
Okay.
e-commerce, digital products, freelancing, affiliate marketing.
Whoa, that's a lot.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So which one are you kind of,
I'm intrigued by the digital products thing.
oh, yeah.
Yeah. I've always thought about like making an online course.
That would be so cool. What would you even teach?
I don't know, maybe like I'm really into photography, so like a photography course or something.
You'd be so good at that.
Thanks. I think the guide emphasizes like, considering your personality,
Oh, yeah.
your skills, what you're good at, your risk tolerance.
Risk tolerance. That's a big.
Yeah, like if you don't like taking risks, maybe e-commerce isn't for you.
Oh, totally. Or like if you're,
Right.
not a people person, maybe freelancing is out.
Yeah, if you love creating and teaching, though, digital products, that could be your thing.
Yeah.
Ebooks, online courses, that kind of stuff.
Totally. And if you're like a natural connector, you love talking to people,
Oh, yeah.
affiliate marketing could be a good fit.
You'd be like recommending products you love.
Yeah, and making a commission.
Exactly.
That's like those personality quizzes. Are you an e-commerce entrepreneur or a freelancing guru?
That's a good one.
I know, right?
Okay, so let's say you've got a sense of the model you like.
Right. Yeah.
Next step, you got to find your profitable niche.
That's huge.
It's not just about what you're passionate about. It's where passion meets demand.
Passion meets demand.
Yeah,
I get it. Like I might be super passionate about like underwater basket weaving,
right.
but if there's no one who wants to buy it,
You're not going to have a business.
I would be stuck with a lot of baskets.
Yeah, exactly. That's where tools like Google Trends come in.
Oh, Google Trends.
Yeah. Have you ever used that?
I think I played around with it once.
Okay. So imagine you're curious about like vegan baking.
Okay.
You plug that term into Google Trends and it shows you how much interest there's been over time.
Oh, wow.
You can see if it's growing or declining. You can even compare it to other baking trends.
So you're like a trend detective
Exactly. You're uncovering hidden opportunities.
before everyone else jumps on board.
Yeah. And then to get even more specific, there's keyword research.
A keyword research.
This helps you understand the exact phrases people use when they're searching online.
So it's like you're eavesdropping on your potential customers.
Exactly. You're figuring out what they're looking for.
Okay, so let's say we've got our business model.
Right.
We've found our niche.
Uh-huh.
Now, how do we stand out online?
Right. Because it's crowded out there.
It is.
So it's all about becoming an authority, building that trust. Think of it like any relationship.
Right.
You need consistency, authenticity, got to provide real value.
Okay, so where do you even start with all that?
Well, this guide suggests platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn.
So many options.
Right. It all depends where your ideal customer hangs out.
That's smart.
Are they visual learners who love YouTube tutorials?
Yeah,
Are they business professionals on LinkedIn?
makes sense.
Meet them where they are.
Okay, and like you said, providing that real value.
Oh, that's key.
It's not just about, promoting yourself.
Yeah. No, it's about sharing your expertise, helping people.
Right, like giving them some helpful tips.
Yeah, a funny meme,
Oh, yeah, I got to have the meme.
a deep dive blog post, whatever works for your audience.
Become that go-to person.
Exactly.
Okay, so before we get too lost in the how-tos,
Yeah.
this guide has these mini case studies,
Oh, cool.
real-life examples of online entrepreneurs.
Oh, that's
We
awesome.
get to see their wins, their struggles,
Their aha moments.
Yeah, exactly. So like, let's say there's this freelance writer.
Okay.
They went from struggling to find clients
Uh-huh.
to landing these high-paying gigs.
That's the dream.
I know. So what did they do differently?
Good question.
Did they niche down?
Maybe.
Did they learn a new skill?
Could be.
We get to learn from these stories.
Yeah, and apply it to our own journey.
All right, so we've got our business, our niche.
Right.
We're building an audience.
Uh-huh.
But even the best product is worthless if no one knows about it.
True.
Time for Marketing 101.
Let's do it.
This guide talks about SEO, content marketing, paid advertising.
It's a lot.
It can feel overwhelming,
Yeah.
but it's about choosing the right tools.
For your business?
Okay, can we rewind for a sec?
Sure.
I think we should explain what SEO even is.
Oh, good point. Yeah, some people might not know.
It stands for Search Engine Optimization.
Right.
It's all about making sure your website shows up.
When people search for stuff online.
On Google, Bing, all those.
Yeah. So let's say you sell handmade jewelry.
All right.
SEO helps people find your shop when they search for like unique silver earrings.
Oh, I see.
It's all about those keywords.
That makes sense. And what about content marketing?
Oh, content marketing. That's a big one.
Feels like a huge umbrella term
It is. It's basically creating valuable content.
to connect with your audience.
Yeah, blog posts, videos, social media posts, even podcasts.
So many possibilities.
You're showcasing your expertise, building trust over time.
So it's less about selling,
Right.
more about providing information that draws people in
Exactly.
naturally. And then there's paid advertising.
Paid advertising.
That can be a good way to get noticed.
Especially when you're starting out,
You're placing ads on platforms where your audience is.
you're targeting them directly.
Okay, so let's fast forward to the future.
All right.
Your business is doing well.
Awesome.
Customers are loving your products.
That's great.
How do you scale things up?
Ah, the $1 million question.
Could you imagine making money while you sleep?
That's the ultimate goal, right?
It is, and this guide says it's possible.
Wow, really?
Yeah. So think about expanding your product line.
Okay.
Maybe create different price points or packages.
Some more options.
Exactly. And you could outsource tasks.
Oh, so you're not doing everything yourself.
Yeah, you're working smarter, not harder.
I like that.
And the guide talks about automation,
Automation.
using tools that handle repetitive tasks,
Like what kind of tasks?
like sending emails,
Yeah.
processing orders.
Oh, that would be a lifesaver.
Right, it frees up your time,
To focus on the big picture?
strategy growth, that kind of stuff.
Wow, we've covered so much.
I know, right? From business models to niche to marketing to scaling.
My head's spinning.
So what are your big takeaways?
You know, it's like a reminder that success isn't a formula.
Okay.
It's about passion meeting demand,
Yeah.
knowing your strengths, and building real connections.
It's about the people.
It is.
So the final thought this guide gives us,
Yeah.
financial freedom is achievable.
Through online business.
Do you think that's possible for anyone?
That's a good question.
Or are some people just, better suited to it?
I think it takes a certain kind of personality.
Right.
But I also think anyone can learn.
Yeah, if they're willing to put in the work.
Exactly.
Something to think about as you, start your own journey.
Definitely.
And hey, if any of these business models got you thinking,
Yeah.
we could totally do a deeper dive in the future.
Sounds good.
All right. Until next time.
See.